In front of me is OnePlus Pad Go, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this icon of a photo with a paper clip at the bottom right corner. Select images at the top, tap on one of those apps, or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, after locating your photo, hold it and tap select at the top right corner to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!